We'll guide you through how to make a potion of weakness in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please subscribe and leave a like. It's super useful to have this potion. So all you need to do is first of all get yourself 3 blocks of glass and go and place them in a V shape in a crafting table to get yourself glass bottles. Right click with the glass bottles on a water source, and then what you need to do is come and get a blaze rod. You can get that from killing a blaze, a spider eye from killing a spider, sugar from sugarcane, and then a mushroom. Now what you want to do is come into a crafting table, place the blaze rod in there to get yourself blaze powder. Now come to a brewing stand, right click on it, and you need to go and place in some blaze powder to fuel it. Put in your water bottles like so, and come into a crafting table and place your spider eye in there with sugar and your brown mushroom. And that will give you a fermented spider eye. Then all you need to do is go and put it in the brewing stand. And just like that, you've now got yourself a potion of weakness. To make it a splash potion, put in gunpowder. And just like that, they're splash potions, which means you can go and throw them like so. If you found this useful, then leave a like.